Hello, this is HK Laser Training Center. In this time, we will learn how to clean and replace protective window. We have to check cutting head problem when contamination alarm has been occurred or cutting qualify suddenly lowered. To check protective window, you have to pull out window cartridge first. Open cartridge cover. You can see cartridge inside. Then grab the clamp and pull it out by hand. After pulling out, pull out the window cartridge and seal the open part by tape. Move cartridge to clean place such as clean room, and check contamination by flashlight. If contamination found, dip acetone to Q-tip and shake off and start cleaning as shown in video. Be cautious, do not reuse cleaning components and do not grasp head when taking out Q-tip. If protective window has been seriously contaminated that cannot be cleaned, then disassemble cartridge and replace protective window. To do this, flip cartridge to unscrew 4 star-shaped bolts on downside and flip again to slowly pull out window. You have to also check contamination of new window before install and clean if needed. When replacing window, take care not to damage or contaminate surface and install on cartridge. Check contamination once more after replacing and seal both sides with tape if you need to move. After replacing window, unseal both sides and insert to cutting head swiftly. What are you think? Can you do it yourself? Until now, I've been explained how to clean and replace protective window in HiYag 2, 1 ver head. From now on, we will keep producing videos for maintaining our machine well. Thank you.